Ladies and gentlemen, the legend is back, and this time it's electric. The 2025 Renault 5 has finally arrived, and let me tell you, it's absolutely nailed the brief of making affordable EVs cool again. But is this retro-inspired hatchback more than just a pretty face? Let's find out. First, let's address the elephant in the room, that design. Wow, Renault has managed to capture the essence of the original 5's charm while making it thoroughly modern. Those LED headlights with their distinctive signature, that illuminated number 5 on the hood that doubles as a charging indicator, and those perfectly proportioned body lines, it's a masterclass in retro modern design. Now let's talk numbers. Starting at around £23,000, that's about $29,000, you're getting a lot of car for your money. There are two battery options, a 40 kilowatt-hour pack giving you 194 miles of range, or the beefier 52 kilowatt-hour version promising 255 miles. Though I should mention, in our real-world testing, we saw closer to 180 miles from the bigger battery. Still plenty for most people's daily needs. Step inside, and this is where things get really interesting. The interior is like stepping into a French boutique hotel. Stylish, modern, and surprisingly practical. That 10.1-inch touchscreen isn't just for show. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Google services. And hallelujah, they've kept physical buttons for the important stuff. But my favorite touch? You can actually turn off the screens at night with one button. Someone at Renault has been listening to our complaints. Behind the wheel, the 5 feels exactly how a modern urban EV should. 0 to 60 takes 8 seconds in the bigger battery version, which means it's nippy enough to dart through city traffic, but won't scare your grandmother. The steering is light and direct, perfect for navigating tight city streets, and that 33.8-foot turning circle makes U-turns a breeze. But here's what really impressed me: the practicality. You can fit actual adults in the back seats, the trunk swallows 326 liters of cargo, and get this, it can even tow 500 kilograms. Show me another small electric car that can do that. Sure, it's not perfect. There's some noticeable wind noise at highway speeds, and those rear doors could open a bit wider for easier access. But these are minor niggles in what is otherwise a thoroughly well-thought-out package. So, should you buy one? If you're in the market for an affordable electric car that doesn't feel like a compromise, absolutely. The Renault 5 isn't just another EV. It's proof that the future of motoring can be both sustainable and exciting. It's stylish without being impractical, tech-laden without being overwhelming, and most importantly, it makes you smile every time you look at it. And isn't that what cars should be about? Sure, we need to save the planet, but who says we can't have fun doing it? The Renault 5 gets an enthusiastic thumbs up from me. It's not just a great electric car, it's a great car, period. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.